Hey everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tallow. First of all, welcome to my channel to everyone and to all those who are new. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already and hitting the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Also, I'd love it if you hit the like button and share this video. Alright, here's what you're going to need. Some beef fat from grass-fed cows. We purchased a half cow recently from a farmer local to our area. It is so much less expensive to make your own tallow than to have it rendered for you, but you can find some great options at the store. So what we have here is a little bit of water that is warming up on the stove as my husband is chopping up the beef fat pieces into smaller pieces. The smaller you chop them, the better it's going to render. So it's just really up to your preference, but just know that it is going to render much better if you chop it into smaller pieces. We have it close to a medium heat on the stove. And here it is a little bit later where things are starting to cook and slightly brown. Steaming a little bit, but you definitely want to watch it. You don't want to walk away from the stove. Now, some of the nutrition benefits of having grass-fed tallow, there are vitamins A, D, K, E, and B12 in it, as well as choline, CLA, and other fatty acids, including oleic acid, palmitoleic acid, stearic acid, and linoleic acid, as well as some others. Tallow is also a fat which has an extremely high smoke point, around 420 up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and that just refers to the temperature which an oil starts to burn. And that's where you start to lose nutrients in a fat. So you definitely don't want it to reach that smoke point. You just want it to stay at or under that smoke point when you cook. So when you start seeing something to smoke or steam, you know you need to turn it down. But preferably before that, obviously. You could even use a temperature to be sure when you're cooking with things. A thermometer. So here's what it looks like towards the end. It's almost done right here. And it's almost been completely rendered out. We're going to have lots of cracklings. Okay, this is the end right here where there's a little bit of bubbling here and you can see everything is brown. So here we are just straining it right into the sink. It is a wonderful fat to use just for any kind of cooking, but especially if you are deep frying things, because as I said, it has such a high smoke point. So yeah, you want to use a metal strainer when you are doing this, nothing plastic, because it will melt with that hot liquid. But then tallow is very solid at room temperature, so you can choose to store it in the refrigerator. We actually store it in the refrigerator most of the time because we want the fat to stay as good as long as possible. And yes, even tallow can go rancid, so I'm very careful about not letting my fats go rancid at all. So this is what I have, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you've made it too. And until next time, bye, and may God bless you and your family.